Police officer Michael Kanago was on patrol one morning in November 2017, driving through a park that was known for its high level of illegal drug activity. At an out-of-the-way location in the park, the officer came across a man sitting in a car. This was unusual, and the officer decided to investigate. When he approached, he thought he smelled marijuana coming from an open window. The occupant of the vehicle, Ahmaud Arbery, said he didn't have any drugs and refused to let the officer search his car. He told the officer he was relaxing by rapping in his car over instrumental beats and had the day off from work at the Blue Beacon truck wash. The incident escalated when Arbery began to question why the officer was hassling him. Kanago claimed he began to feel threatened by Arbery, later writing in his report that veins were popping from his chest, which made me feel that he was becoming enraged and may turn physically violent towards me. Kanago requested help from a second officer. The second officer, David Haney, arrived minutes later and screamed at Arbery to get his hands out of his pockets, which Arbery did.
What's going on, man? What's your name? What is it? Ahmaud. What you doing out here, man? What's up?
I work at Blue Beacon. I'm on work today.
You off work today?
They're just rapping in the park.
Gotcha. You got an ID on you, man? All right, thanks, man. Grab it with you, okay? 185 dispatch, I'll be on service. 185 service.
Go ahead.
Get a 2728 through Georgia, please.
10-12. Go ahead with that 27.
It's going to be 058 065 478 058 065 478.
10 for you, about 28.
10-4, 1063.
10 for, go ahead.
Papa Quebec Zulu 4442 PQZ 4442.
LLN 058. 478 comes back to Ahmaud Arbery, Nebraska, Georgia. See Charlie, showing suspension all for failure to appear with a violation date of 2/2 of 2017. Suspension date of 5/11/2017. Serve date 4/2017.
Yeah, give me a second, man.
Nobody's not even driving the car. What the fuck you come over for? Fuck you come over and fuck with me for? I'm just chilling in the park.
Why am I fucking with you?
Yo, why
You want to know why I'm fucking with you?
Why?
Keep your hand in your pocket.
I ain't got shit on me. What the fuck you fucking with me for?
I'll tell you why I'm here, man.
Why?
I'll tell you why I'm
Why?
here. Because this area is known for drug activity.
Drug? How the fuck I'm drug at when I work at Blue Beacon?
Back up.
Check my shit.
Back
boy.
up.
The fuck you talking about?
You
Check
wanna back
my
up?
motherfucking shit. Bitch, you hit me
Send me
with that
another
shit,
unit,
bitch, you gonna be
please.
fucked
Send me
up.
another unit.
Shit. Fuck you talking about? Oh, boy.
Turn around and put your hands on the car.
Why?
Turn around and put your
I ain't
hands on the
gotta
car.
do shit. Watch out, bro. Don't
Turn
touch
around and
me,
put your hands
bro.
on the car. I'm
You
checking
ain't
you for
got no
weapons.
reason.
I'm checking you for
Check
weapons.
me. You got no reason to touch me, bro.
I'm not searching you. I'm checking you for weapons. All right, man? You don't have any
Ain't got no
warrants?
fucking weapons, bro.
I know, but you're coming up on me. You make me
Coming up
kind of
on you,
nervous.
something about, bro.
Okay?
You bothering me for nothing. I work at Blue Beacon, bro.
Where's Blue Beacon?
Blue Beacon is on exit 29, man.
Okay. Listen, man,
What you talking about?
I'm not here to ruin your day. I'm here to look for any kind of criminal activity. That's all I'm doing.
Criminal activity? I'm in a fucking park. I work. The fuck is you talking about? I fucking work. Check my damn history. Go to my job.
Okay.
Shit, call my job right now. I go
don't
to
need
work.
to call your job, man.
Shit, what the fuck you talking about? Shit. Boy. Don't go on my motherfucking car,
I'm not going to your car. Back up.
Bro, don't touch me, bro. You can't touch
Listen.
me, bro. Don't touch my car and don't touch me.
I'm not touching your car.
Don't touch
I'm looking
me, bro.
inside of your car.
Don't touch me. You can't look inside my shit or nothing.
Yeah, I'm 10-4. Send me another
You
unit.
can't touch me, bro. Straight up.
I'm not touching you. Okay.
That's 1018. Need him for.
Just very angry. Listen, man. What are you doing out here? You just chilling?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm rapping. I'm rapping in the
Okay.
car to instrumentals.
Okay. That's fine. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here.
I work.
I get that you're working.
What else you want from me?
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on out here, man.
I'm working, rapping. I rap.
Okay.
Damn, what the hell is you talking
I
about?
know you're just acting
I'm
very.
not going
You're
around
jumping
here.
around, getting a little bit nervous on me. I
Fuck.
think I see something plastic in the
Go ahead.
thing over here.
Go ahead, bro. You can't go in my car.
You're not allowing me to search your car?
You can't go in my shit.
I'm not asking you. Just don't reach the car, man.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
Hands out your pocket.
Haney attempted to tase Arbery, but his taser malfunctioned. Arbery continued to comply with instructions from the two officers to get on the ground. Kanago had already searched Arbery for weapons before Haney arrived and confirmed he was unarmed.
Listen, man. I'm not here to mess with you, okay? I've been cool with you the entire time. You get out of the car, you come up on me.
Bro,
Okay.
I go to work for a living.
I get that, man, and I'm just here to make sure everything's okay. I don't know you. You don't know me,
Rapping
all right?
in the park trying to ease my mind. I'm rapping. I rap, bro. I rap.
I got you, man, but when you run up on me and you get really jumpy, that's going to make me nervous, too.
Aggravate my day. I got 1 day off a week. 1 day.
Okay.
1 day off a week. I'm trying to chill on my day off, bro. I'm
I
up
got
early
you.
in the morning trying to chill.
I see, and I get that. I get one to chill, too. But we get a lot of bad stuff that happens out here. We get gang and drug activity. We get all kinds of stuff
My
out here.
name tied up in any of that?
No, it is not.
All right,
But when you
well,
get
what
up
are
and start
talking
acting, when you
about?
get up and start getting all
Right.
crazy on me, it makes me a little bit nervous. You know what I mean? I'm not here to mess with your day, man. I am not here to fuck with you. I'm not here to fuck up your day. I am here to make sure everything's cool. But when you start getting jumpy, it makes me kind of nervous, thinking maybe there's something else going on here. Okay?
I don't have anything, bro. I don't have anything. I'm just so aggravated because I work hard 6 days a week. I'm aggravated, bro.
No, I got you.
My wife not here. I'm chilling. I'm trying to ease my mind, bro. Chill. Route.
I get that. So you don't have anything in the car? Because I looked in the driver. I looked in the middle of your car, in the center console.
Check in there.
I saw some kind of plastic in there. If it's weed, I don't care.
Bro,
So with that being said, you mind if I just look in your car really quick? Would you be okay with that?
how is that? Why are you checking in my car?
You can say no if you don't want us to check your car. Okay. That's all we need, man.
The car is not in motion. I'm not even driving the car.
I know. I'm investigating suspicious activity, not doing a traffic stop. Okay?
So in the park chilling, that's a crime.
Well, when it's way back here,
I'm right in the front. You can see me. If
I know,
was
man.
hiding, I'll be in the back.
it's just kind of weird. We don't see cars sitting out here that often. That's all that is, man. Okay?
Okay. Now I'm on my knees for nothing. I got on my day off.
Here's your ID back, man. Okay? I'm not here to mess with you. Like I said, I'm just here to make sure that people are doing what they're supposed to. And if you're just chilling, that's fine. Okay? I'm letting you chill, okay? I'm gonna get out your hair. Just want to make sure that everything was cool here.
Well, I'm cool. I'm chilling. Nobody's not coming here. I'm chilling. It's only
Okay, man.
one man.
I got you, man. But you get what happened here.
I got you.
I'm not here to mess with your day, okay?
I got you.
You're good to go. I'm gonna talk to my partner over here, all right?
Want me to leave?
If you can, well, your car, your license is suspended. So technically, you can't really drive the car. We'll go ahead and get out your hair, man.
Screwed up, didn't it?
Yeah, he was very, very jumpy. Yeah, it's because I came out here to find out what's going on. And the second I pull up, he gets out of his car, which I'm okay with. I'd rather him be out of the car so I can see what he's all about. What's up?
Phone.
Your phone? Yeah, I'm watching.
But
What's up?
Yeah, it looks strange. Back way up here in the sun instead of the shade.
Yeah.
And he might be legit. He might be up to something.
Smell the inside of his car.
Huh?
You know, tell me if you can smell anything that smells like weed. It smells like more cigarette, but there is like a burnt weed smell in that car. I just couldn't get close enough to tell.
Nasty smell. Yeah, I do smell a little bit of weed.
Smells a little bit of weed.
And it's nasty. The car is nasty. I can smell the nastiness.
Yeah. So why don't we tow this car and we'll do an inventory search? What do you think? Can we do that?
What would you tow it for?
It's on.
Show me out 5'8".
It's improperly parked.
At the park. Park's not closed.
Gotcha. All units, we're 10-4 out here.
104 dispatch, 1039.
He's sitting in a closed car wearing a big heavy coat.
Yeah, when it's hot as hell
You
out
said you
here.
already patted him down?
I patted him down for weapons. Yeah, he didn't have any bulges or any guns on him.
Yeah, that was.
He wouldn't let me search the car, but since he's gone now I was able to actually get up close to the car, and now I smell a little bit of burnt weed inside. But before I didn't have any reason for him to stop. So.
Did you let him go?
Yeah, he's out. He's on that. He's in that coat walking down Townsend.
Okay.
He was very aggravated.
Malfunction?
Yeah, that was.
I tried to tase him.
You did try to tase him?
Yeah.
It got to the point where you had to tase
Well,
him?
it was. I didn't realize he'd already patted him down for weapons, and I could see there's like a wallet or something,
Yeah.
and I could
Yeah.
see him going like that, and he had a big heavy coat on,
Show me
and he just wasn't moving fast enough. But
Yeah, he was very agitated just for me being out here talking to him. But it's a little weird to see a car way out here.
Yeah.
he's wearing a big heavy coat in a hot car. I imagine maybe he's.
Yeah, there's some seeds and there's some stems in there in the plastic in the car. But I guess we can't really search it now since he's not here.
If we would have, I really believe, from his actions, his agitation, if we would have went hands-on to arrest him for whatever reason, that would have been on, because
Yeah, he's
agitated.
yeah.
You got his name and birthday and all that?
Yeah.
You ran him already?
Yeah, ran him. He was clean. He's license
If
suspended.
you're going to do something with it or you're not, that's up to you. I'm here to help you.
185 service. Will you put all that information into my CAD notes, please? LT,
You know,
since he's no longer here,
Yep.
and now I smell weed coming from the car, do we search that vehicle or just leave it be for now?
You see the seeds? They're in plain view?
Put in the call. I see what looks like marijuana, and I put my nose up to the open window right here.
You see the
And
seed right now?
It looks
See
like it, right in the center console, that plastic wrapping. Does it look like seeds to you?
I can't tell what it is. I wouldn't mess with it.
Yeah.
Leave it alone. Let it work all that.
Yeah, I just smell weed, so
He's not wanted.
I'm gonna check to see if he has anything in previous enspillment, and I'll probably just do a quick incident report here, just because there was a possibility he was attempted to be tased, and his taser didn't go off. So I will probably just do an India on this one, just to secure everything in case somebody claims excessive force or something like that. What do you think?
Did he hear it go off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What did he say when that happened?
I don't quite remember. It was all heat of the moment. We got him down on the ground on his knees to keep him calm.
Verbally got him on the ground, or you
Yeah.
physically?
Verbally got him on his knees.
Yeah, I'll do a report on it then.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he's definitely doing a lot more than just chilling on a Tuesday morning. So I'll do a quick report out here. Thanks for coming out, LT.
The incident eventually ended with police allowing Arbery to leave, but they refused to let him drive his car because his driver's license was suspended. 3 years later, on February 23, 2020, Ahmaud Arbery was murdered by Travis and Gregory McMichael. While unconnected with this case, lawyers working for the Arbery family described this incident as a clear depiction of a situation where Glenn County police officers harassed Arbery.